So the Christmas light display was going on, and she had no idea that the bale of hay she was sitting on caught fire. Oh hey! Yá'át'ééh Késhmish. Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be Luminaria. To say Luminaria in Navajo, you say Naaltsoos, Azisí, siłtsooz. Naaltsoos, Azisí, siłtsooz. Luminaria. Naastsoos azis means paper bag, means fire, siłtsooz means it's in a paper-like container. Naaltsoos azisí siłtsooz. Now, if you're talking about several luminaria, you say Naaltsoos azisí naastsoozgo. Naastsouz means they're in several paper-like containers. Now, to use it in a sentence, you can say Naaltsoos azisí naastsoozgo danéel'í. Naaltsoos Azisí naastsoozgo danéel'í, which means we went to a Luminaria light display. Naaltsoos Azisí naastsoozgo daníl'ó Naaltsoos. Kwe'é Farmingtondi. Luminaria displays are going on here and there, and one was held here in Farmington. And that's today's Navajo Word of the Day. Naaltsoos Azisí siłtsooz. Luminaria. Have a good evening and Yá'át'ééh Késhmish. Merry Christmas.